Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. Remember in our last video I showed you guys how message works, how the contact works. We've talked about the BI, my BIS. We've talked about the dashboard. We did some integration. We've talked about the store and so many things. So in this video I just have to pile up everything inside this one. So remember I said in my last video that I'm going to talk about chat, but unfortunately I won't be able to do that because this is a pro feature. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, because I have a pro account separately with my own account, but this is my friend own that I'm still showing you guys. So this is not going to I'm not going to talk about pro features and any pro features any longer in this video. Understand? In this section or playlist, let me say that. So I won't talk about that, but a new separate video is still coming that is going to be based on all the pro features. Just stay tuned and subscribe so you can understand what you are going to enjoy. Understand? So let's talk about all this and let me fulfill the promises I made, which includes connecting polls and probably integrating. No, I won't talk about this. I'll create a new video for this, I promise you guys. Okay, so now let's get started. Now let's start with the group. If you select the group, it's going to automatically show you all the group you are, all the groups you've enrolled in here on WhatsApp. You understand what I'm trying to say? It's going to show you all the groups. You are going to see all their data here with just a click of a button. It's going to show you everything. These are all the groups, the members, the time I create it, like the time I look for it here. So the last time I am here, which was 5 seconds ago for this group. You understand? So it's going to show you everything, all the groups that you select automatically. With just a click of a button, you can do many things, and you can also select the group and see the participants of the group, which you can copy their number, save their number, do different things as you want. You can just use it well on your own. So it's up to you. If I select this, my friend, and you see I can easily see his details and so now let's talk about broadcast. This broadcast is you sending multiple message out on WhatsApp. You know how we do it, so that's not something I need to talk too much about also. So you just select a few people and you add them to a broadcast group. Now quick replies is connected here. Polls are here, and this is the pin chat or pin post. Understand? So now for a quick reply to work, this also is a paid area. So I can't show you how this works. I'm very sorry guys, so I have to cut this part off too and move to all the premium part. So let's move out. So in case you want to see how it works, maybe you later use my link to purchase it, and don't forget to subscribe because I have a premium account, I have a pro account. This is how you are going to set it up. So you input your name, the name of the broadcast, like based on what you want to quickly send, and this is going to be like hello, the person's name in this format. Then I saw your number, the person's WhatsApp number, based on how you save it on your own data. Remember, you can save contact. If you haven't watched the video, just check up here. You are going to see the video for how to save contact. You save the person's number or input any of these details that you've saved before in the person's profile. Then here on so's group, or you want to place another on, something simple like that, then you click on the save. But remember, you must have an upgraded account for this to work. So stay tuned, I will show you guys the video how this really works. So now let's move to the funnel. Now this funnel is very easy. It's just like you categorizing each contacts with a label. Like, okay, I want this person to be in green. Okay, the name of that green is open. So you can easily message or send a broadcast to all those green. It's very easy like that. So I created some for myself now though. So let's imagine, okay, let's call this star and yellow. Let's name it seller or buyer. expires. Very easy like that. You've created the funnel. Very easy. So all these emoji are not really necessary. Then you can put people in those stuff. And also tags. Tags are very easy to create. So you can set a tag for message and tag for contact, tag for media. So you can rename this. You can drag and drop, you know how we do it. So if you've been watching the video, it's going to be very easy for you. So this is how to create a tag. You can just like test tag. So the tag is going to be like, okay, these are all the things I want, these are all the contact I want to send specific message to. So when you are saving a person's number, you can add a tag for it. Let's imagine I want to save this number. Then okay, this is the test tag that I just create now. So if you select this test, this person is going to fall under test, and the funnel I just create now, I can select it, him or her, as buyer automatically like that. Do this, then save. If I come here now and refresh the tag, notice it's 0 before, now it's 1. Very easy, no question. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that's how the tag work. I think that's literally everything. Okay, let's talk about poll. Very easy too. The poll is very easy, and I'm very grateful. Thank you guys for making that free for my users. And so everyone, don't worry, the poll is free, but you need to get the premium features of this WhatsApp because it's amazing. If I start to record that, you guys are just going to be like, wow, so this is possible. So now let's talk about the poll. So the question there is just going to be like, okay, let's not just name this as test, and let's be like, let's talk about, okay, how. So I come up with this. I know it's crazy, guys, don't worry. So I said, how fast did Cristiano Ronaldo scores his last hat-trick, you know, something like that. So now this is the question, this is the label of the poll, and this is going to be the options, right? The options are going to be the answer list. So now first one is going to be 80 minutes. Let's make this half time. Okay, 45 minutes. Let's make this full time. So very easy like that. You can use this button to add more options. Then this is just a help note. We can pin this in an extension, set a quick reply. Then also you can edit this word, and okay, you can allow votes, multiple votes. So this is going to allow someone to vote twice. Understand? So we have to disallow that. I don't want anybody to vote twice. Okay, so okay, let's proceed with that. Then we create. Very easy. Then now here is it. We can use this button to share it automatically on WhatsApp. But now if you come here and let's take for example, okay, let's go to this group, then poll. This is our poll. We name it test. If I select it now, then it has automatically posted it here, you know, automatically like that. With just a click of a button, how fast did Cristiano Ronaldo score his last hat-trick? These are going to be the option to select 80 minutes. Automatically they make it bold. They do that on themselves. They make this italic stuff, you know, it's look professional, and the result is still going to be shown here for us to see. So with just a click of a button, your poll is ready. So guys, I think I'm done with the CRM, like for we free guys, you know. So I just need to do the free part first before I start the, you know, the professional part, which is what is going to start very soon in this channel. So stay subscribed. So now let's move to the integration. I'm going to connect my Google Analytics with this. So with the same process, you know, you can use that with this. So I'm just going to connect Google Analytics with this for you, and subscribe or stay tuned for that, guys. So one love.